Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain the purpose of this tool that you have seen probably in your bike shop or whatnot. Its code is GSC-1, and you see over here, it's got the little brush and it's got this side here. So I'm going to get into it straight to the point. So this side of this tool over here allows you to clean your gears, which is right here. So it's gonna allow you to knock off this gunk which gets stuck right here. So something like this. In my particular case, I keep everything clean, so you're not gonna see much gunk fall out from the sprockets. Now this is for the upper part. Now the bottom part over here is used to brush off the sprockets. So you see like this. See that sound? It gets rid of the gunk and all the nastiness from your sprockets, and that's pretty much that. These are really handy, they're inexpensive. I'm gonna try to link down a description link where you can buy one of these, and that's pretty much that. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.